How to add Pinterest widget Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to add Pinterest widget, what you need to do is make a long press on the home screen and you'll be able to see something like this that's shown on the screen. So you just have to tap on the widgets option and you can see the option of add widgets. Now to add the widgets, you can see different options available over here regarding different applications. So you just need to scroll down until you find the option of Pinterest. Now let's just scroll down. And there you go. Here you can see the option of Pinterest. So just you can tap on any of the options available as to how you want to get it displayed. So I'm just going to tap on the second option over here and then tap on OK. And there you go. Here you can see the Pinterest widget on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.